In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture here in Brawl Stars. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to change your profile picture here in Brawl Stars, the first thing that you're going to want to do after getting onto Brawl Stars is actually tapping on your profile icon up in the top left corner of the screen. From here, it's going to pull up a bunch of different options. Simply go ahead and tap on your current profile picture, and it's going to pull up with a bunch of different options. You're going to see all the icons and brawlers that you have unlocked. Simply go ahead and choose the one that best fits your playstyle and personality. For example, I went with Shelly just because right now on my alt account, Shelly is the only brawler that I currently have unlocked that I like. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But remember to like and subscribe before leaving this video. It really does let us know that you want more content like this and more Brawl Stars content specifically. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.